Conduit plate rodent-proof products provide a rigid, rodent-resistant barrier for electrical and HVAC penetrations that prevents chew-through and fire hazards. For a DIY installation, start by choosing a metal chase plate or escutcheon that is sized to cover the penetration and sits flush against the framing or sheathing. Remove any loose insulation or old sealant, then cut the plate so it fits around conduit or pipe without bending the material. Use tin snips for thin sheet metal and a nibbler for thicker steel. Slide a conduit bushing or flange cover over the pipe where it enters the plate to protect cable sheathing from abrasion and to present a smooth, non-chew surface. For gaps under 3/4 of an inch, pack copper mesh firmly into voids first to stop rodents, then overfill slightly and apply a paintable, non-foam elastomeric sealant to bond the mesh to the plate and substrate. For larger gaps, use a tight-fitting metal sleeve or custom-fitted flashing and secure it with corrosion-resistant screws placed on the plate perimeter every 2 to 3 inches for a durable mechanical attachment. Always maintain grounding continuity where metallic conduit is involved by following local electrical code regarding bonding straps, and use a volt-free continuity tester to confirm a good connection before closing the wall. Homeowners often underestimate how persistent rodents are, so leaving even small, soft, or foam-filled gaps will lead to failure. Use copper mesh plus a rigid plate to stop that problem. Another common mistake is relying solely on adhesive sealants without mechanical fastening, which can pull away with temperature changes, so fasten plates with corrosion-resistant screws and back up with sealant. The third issue is ignoring abrasion at the penetration, which damages cable insulation, so add conduit bushings or flange covers and inspect annually for chew-through and wear, replacing any compromised components promptly. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and let us and our community discuss techniques, product choices, and installer recommendations for rodent-proof conduit plates. We help contractors find work and let our discussion community share real-world tips and photos to make installations safer and longer lasting.